Way we put stone, it goes to those trees over there, and then it goes all the way back on the other side of the house. We put stone here 3 years ago, but this is all grass by the garage. We don't really use our front. We use our back, which means it got grassed over. So this is the before, and then we'll see the after. This is the other entrance, and then it goes back there and around the house. All right, so right now what he's doing is trying to make it wide enough so when we put our asphalt down, or the millings, I should say, the millings, there'll be enough room, and he's getting all the grass and stuff out. So you could see here he took the grass out that was by the steps over there and right in front of the garage. So all that is out, and then the rest, it's going to still need some work. We think the stone can stay, so we might leave the stone there, but he'll do this again before we're ready for asphalt. This is a very old tractor. This is Big Blue. It's an old Ford. It's been sitting outside, so he's a little faded, but does the job. Now we're going to go around and make this U, and then we are going to go make a trail to the back where we park by the back door, and this way we'll have the whole thing with the millings. And then I believe we're getting like 6 loads, so that'll be a nice project. But here is the middle. It actually looks better already. Patrick, put this music on. Okay, this is the first load that we had gotten. Okay, here's our second load. This one is actually our 5th load. All right, this is actually our 6th and should be final load. We should be ready to start fixing the driveway soon. ripping out the concrete. Little concrete path and steps. We don't need it here. Kind of just want one big driveway up to the door. And just like that, the concrete walkway is gone. Everything is smoothed out and ready for our millings. Right up to the step. This still needs to be fixed. The driveway is done. It looks beautiful. And I will take you around to the other side also so you can see up to the garage. But we use our back door. We come in through the sunroom. So we did make a little road going to the back. I guess they're on a lunch break. Must be a union job.
I don't finish nothing.
There you go. It's so nice. Okay, here is the, I guess the real driveway. Original driveway. It was, we had just made a U. It looks good. I mean, we don't have this many cars, and we don't have this many cars coming over, but if we did, we'll be all right. It's nice. Okay, guys, I'll see you on the next adventure.